Saya Putri Wulandari Haji Ali.
Saya Rosalia Makarewa.
Dalam video kali ini kami akan melakukan praktikum organik 2 dengan judul Analisis Kualitatif Metabolit Sekunder pada tanaman yang ada di Meranti. Selamat menyaksikan!
The purpose is students can find out the content of secondary metabolites in plants in Meranti. Secondary metabolites are organic compounds synthesized by plants and are a source of medicinal compounds classified as alkaloids, terpenoids, steroids, phenolics, flavonoids, and saponins. The contents of the secondary metabolites can treat various types of disease such as stomach or digestive disorders, skin disease or wounds, bruises, muscle disorders, head disorders, internal disease, respiratory disorders, cleaning the blood or neutralizing blood, toothache, and eye irritation.
Tools and materials. The first is a tool. Test tube, rack test tube, beaker glass, drop pipette, spatula, mortar and alu, Bunsen burner, stirring rod, drip plate, test tube clamp, and leftover cloth. The second is material. Alcohol 70%, aqueous, magnesium, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid, Dragendorf, Wagner, Mayer, Hager, chloroform ammoniacal, acetic anhydride acid, Lieberman Burchard, and ferric chloride. The next is procedure experiment. The sample we use it. In this experiment, secondary metabolites were tested on 5 samples, namely Gerson leaf, fern leaf, Danirod leaf, pepper flower leaf, and bandotan leaf. The secondary metabolite test carried out were flavonoids, alkaloids, steroids, and terpenoids, saponins, and polyphenol tannin tests. The first test is the flavonoid test. First, cut the sample into small pieces using scissors. Put the sample into the mortar. Then add 70% alcohol. Then pulverize with a mortar and pestle. Then filter the sample into a beaker. And the extraction of each sample into a test tube. The first extract is to add magnesium with the tip of a spatula. Add 1 dropper of HCl. Second extract, adding 1 pipette of concentrated sulfuric acid. Third extract, adding 1 pipette of concentrated sodium hydroxide. And the color changes and forms bubbles. In this flavonoid test, 2 plants were used, namely the first, cherry leaves with the Latin name Muntingia calabua. In the first extract, the cherry leaves change color to a deep pink, and there are bubbles. In the second extract, the cherry leaves change color a cloudy green, and for the third extract, the cherry leaves change color to a brownish yellow color. The second plant is fern leaves. For the first extract, the fern leaves turn cloudy green. In the second extract, the fern leaves turn yellow. And in the third extract, the fern leaves change color to light green. The second experiment is the alkaloid test. First, cut the sample into small pieces using scissors. Put the sample into the mortar. Then add 70% alcohol. Then pulverize with a mortar and pestle. Then filter the sample into a beaker. Then the extraction of each sample into a test tube. First extract, add 5 drops of Dragendorf reagent. Second extract, added Hager's reagent 5 drops. Third extract, added Wagner's reagent 5 drops, and fourth extract, Edith Meyer's reagent 5 drops. In the alkaloid test, there was one plant used, namely cherry leaves. In the first extract, the cherry leaves changed color to a cloudy yellow color. In the second extract, the cherry leaves changed color to a dark brown color. In the third extract, the cherry leaves changed color to pale yellow. In the fourth extract, the cherry leaves changed color to a cloudy brown. The third experiment is the steroid and terpenoid test. First, cut the sample into small pieces using scissors. Put the sample into the mortar, then add 70% alcohol to test. Then pulverize with a mortar and pestle, and filter the sample into a beaker. Then the extraction of each sample into a test tube. Extract, add 10 drops of ammoniacal chloroform and 10 drops of anhydrous acetic acid. Added Lieberman Burchard 10 drops. Adding concentrated sulfuric acid 1 dropper. In the saponin test, there is one plant used, namely cherry leaf. In this extract, cherry leaves form a ring and form 2 layers. The top layer is cloudy and the bottom layer is clear. The fourth experiment is the saponin test. First, cut the sample into small pieces using scissors. Put the sample into the mortar. Then add 70% alcohol to test. Then pulverize with a mortar and pestle. Then filter the sample into a beaker. Then the extraction of each sample into a test tube. Heating 10 ml of water to a boil. Add extract and cover with aluminum foil. Whisk until there is foam, so that bubbles form and there is a change in color and there is foam. In the saponin test, 2 plants were used, namely, the first is cherry leaf. In the extract, the cherry leaf changed color to cloudy white and there is a lot of foam. Second is the Nile leaf. In the extract, the Nile leaf changed color to a light green color and there are many bubbles. The fifth experiment is the tannin test. First, cut the sample into small pieces using scissors. Put the sample into the mortar. Then add 70% alcohol to test. Then pulverize with a mortar and pestle. Then filter the sample into a beaker. 25 drops of the sample extract into the drip plate. Extract, add 2 drops of iron trichloride. There is a color change. In the tannin test, 5 plants were used, namely, first, the cherry leaves turn black. Nile leaves change color to blackish brown. Pepper flowers leaves change color to blackish brown. Dani root leaves change color to blackish brown. Bandotan leaves change color to blackish brown. The next is conclusion. After carrying out phytochemical tests on cherry leaves plants, fence leaves, Dani roots leaves, peppers flowers leaves, and bandotan leaves, it can conclude that the negative cherry leaves plant does not contain flavonoids, positive contains alkaloids, positive contains steroids, positive contains saponins, and positive contains tannins, while the negative fern leaves did not contain flavonoids but positive contain saponins and tannins. And for pepper flower leaves and downy rod leaves and bandotan leaves are positive for tannins. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.